Yes, good morning, students. So, before this previous lectures, I have discussed about the different types of acids, different examples of acids. For example, strong acids, weak acids, or organic acids, mineral acids, and different indicators for testing acid and bases. So, types of indicators. Already I have discussed about there are 4 types of indicators. Already I have given them name. For turmeric, litmus paper, or phenolphthalein, or you can say China rose. So, China rose, litmus paper, and turmeric. These 3 types of indicators are natural indicators, but 4 types of indicators phenolphthalein. So, about the natural indicators I have discussed in previous lectures. Litmus paper, China rose, and turmeric. So today we will discuss about the only phenolphthalein, and this indicators is known as the synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein indicators. These are the indicators about the phenolphthalein indicators. So phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicators and based on the acid and bases indicators. So phenolphthalein indicators is colorless in acid solution. When solutions you have to put on the phenolphthalein indicators and solutions color will be changed in the pink color, then that solutions will be acidic solution. And in other hand, when acidic changes colorless, not changing, and when solutions changes their color in pink color, then this is the basic solution. Acidic solution, basic solution you can justify by the phenolphthalein indicators. Phenolphthalein indicators tells or gives the result about the color in acidic solution is colorless and in basic solution in pink color. But phenolphthalein indicators is the synthetic indicators, litmus paper, China rose, and turmeric. These 3 indicators are the which types of indicators? Natural indicators you can find about from the plant. So there are some substances which have no effect on any indicators. Means when you will mix to each other or any solutions, you will find out about the indicators, then there will be no changing. Such substances are neither acidic nor basic. Anybody can be asked to you. Suppose acidic solution in phenolphthalein give the colorless and basic solutions in phenolphthalein give the pink color, or turmeric, litmus paper, China rose. These indicators give different color about the acidic solution and different color about the basic solution. But some substances do not give any color, cannot change any color. Then what will you say that substances? So that substances is neither acidic nor basic, and the substances whose solutions do not change the color of any indicators in any way are called neutral substances. Understood? You should keep in your mind, when any substances whose solution do not change the color of any indicators in any way, these substances are known as the neutral substances. For example, pure water, not distilled water, pure water, common salt, sugar solution, these are the example of the neutral substances. So, acidic substances, basic substances and neutral substances. These are the example of the acidic and basic solutions. Okay. So, after this, we will discuss about the bases. What is the character of the bases? What is the property of the bases? And what types of bases? These are the explanation about the next lectures. Okay. Thank you.